So good evening all. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Okay, Vaishnav Vinayaki, welcome. Shankar Narayana, Lavanya, Balu, Shamala, Sivaganesh, Narla, Swati, Sharan, Nageshwar Reddy, Ram Reddy, Bhumika, Sriram, Dasari Chaitanya. Welcome, welcome. Okay, though examination has been postponed, but you need to concentrate on subject. Okay, don't actually leave the subject. My suggestion is that you need to prepare more. So that's why you need to think that it's a positive symptom itself only. It's a positive for your sake itself only. So better once again revise all the chapters. Once again you just watch my videos already, which we have completed already. The most of the topics have been covered, but I do not stop the classes. Definitely tomorrow onwards I will continue the classes. Thank you, Sahan Kumar, for your concern. Definitely. So, in spite of my illness, also definitely I will take a morning 2 hours class, at least morning 2 hours class. If possible, evening class also I will take it. But I will try to complete most of the syllabus, almost the total syllabus. That is my aim actually, to complete the total syllabus, including concepts also. That's why. So that can be done. That can be done. So that's why you need to attend my classes, but don't actually skip the classes. Always attend the classes. Manjula, Kirtana Kotla, Sahan Kumar. Okay. So tomorrow we shall complete this chapter. Ellipse will be completed tomorrow. And moreover, in the tomorrow evening session, definitely I start hyperbola. Just hyperbola take, as far as my concern, that's only 3 hours, 3 hours classes for hyperbola. After that, actually better I will start permutations and combinations, because everybody is asking about permutations and combinations. Okay, we shall try permutation combinations followed by the probability chapter, because already in probability chapter we have completed distributions. We have already completed. Only the based on probability need to be explained. That I will explain. So this is the plan actually today. I I am making. Tomorrow I will give details in detail schedule also, because but moreover, so now even besides mathematics you need to practice even physics and chemistry also. Understood now? But examination has not been cancelled. Please try to understand. It has been postponed. That's all. You remember one thing. So that's why in the morning actually I did not disclose anything about the examination, particularly TS examination. So Manjula Ande, sir, only one question is asked from Ellipse. Why are you stressing a lot on that? So definitely, Manjula, we should not. My aim is that to complete total concepts. Which area the question will come, we do not know. So that's why we need to concentrate on more. Only one question will come means only one question. Need I explain? I cannot do like that. Okay. Because generally everybody will feel conic section is very difficult, but it's not difficult. It's very easy. If you concentrate on one chapter, the hyperbola becomes very easy. If you complete parabola and ellipse thoroughly, easily we can solve even hyperbola problems. Understood now? So sometimes connection problems may be given in that problem. So we need to go for the concepts itself. Gunasekar, Basava, Sainath Reddy, Avinash, Vaishnavi, Uppala Sai Teja. Okay. So now, fine, Avinash. Boddu Hema, Jingam Shamala. Have you subscribed? Okay. So Sankararana, we need to wait for that one. What schedule also? We need to wait. Thank you, Gunasekar. Thank you. Thank you. Maybe, may not be. We cannot decide, Manjula. We cannot decide. Better keep on going on practice all the problems. Okay, Karthik, you are not late. Still 3 minutes time is there. Don't worry. Now 4:27. Exactly 4:27. So after 3 minutes I will start. Don't worry. You are not late. Okay, anything? Where is Narla? Where is Dishwank? Where is Suma? Swati? Vinayaka? Vinayaki? Pramila? Vamshi Krishna Yadav? Vamshi Freak? Lokesh? Balu? Shankar Narayana is also regular. Lavanya? Okay, where are you from, Vaishnavi? Where are you from? Yes. Oh, you are there. Okay. Ah, Prasanna. Prasanna joined. Sarath Sai. Thank you, Sarath Sai. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, you are from Mongol. Right. Oh, you are there. Right. Suma. Good evening. Good evening. Now let us start now today class. Okay, now we'll show. Right. Akash. Ellipse. part 5. Okay. Good evening all. 54th question. If alpha minus beta equals to pi upon 3, then the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents drawn at alpha and beta on the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 is. This is the problem. Right. First option, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 by 4. Second option, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square 3 upon 4. Third option, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 4. Fourth option, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 4 upon 3. Equal to 4 upon 3. Right. Alpha minus beta equals to pi by 3, 60 degrees. Then the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents drawn at alpha and beta on the ellipse s is equal to 0 is. Okay, Madhurima. 54th solution. 54th solution. See, the point of intersection of tangents drawn at P of alpha and Q of beta on the ellipse s is equal to 0 is a cos of alpha plus beta by 2 upon cos of alpha minus beta by 2, comma, b sin of alpha plus beta by 2 upon cos of alpha minus beta by 2. This is standard formula. Am I correct now? What is given here actually? Given that, see your problem, given that alpha minus beta equals to pi by 3. Now the locus of the point of intersection we need to find out. So that means instead of this alpha minus beta, substitute pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60. So that means now say like this. Let us say this x1 comma y1 equals to a times cos of alpha plus beta by 2. This will be cos 30. This is 60. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means root 3 by 2. 2 comes up. This is root 3. Okay. Comma. This is also same. You will be getting 2b sine of alpha plus beta by 2 upon root 3. Comparing both sides. Comparing both sides. Here x1 equals to this one. y1 equals to this one. So now from this one find cos alpha plus beta by 2. Cos alpha plus beta by 2 equals to, by cross multiplication, you get root 3x1 upon 2a. Say equation 1 this is. Similarly, from this one, sine of alpha plus beta by 2 you find out. Sine of alpha plus beta by 2 equals to, you get root 3y1 upon 2b. Say 2. Now we need to actually eliminate alpha plus beta by 2 from these two equations. See, 1 square plus 2 square. If we apply like this, cos square of alpha plus beta by 2 plus sine square of alpha plus beta by 2 equals to 1 equals to squaring of this one, 3x1 square upon 4a square plus 3y1 square upon 4b square. Take 3 by 4 common. You get x1 square upon a square plus y1 square upon b square. Now therefore locus is equal to locus is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1 divided by this 3 by 4. 1 divided by 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. This is the required locus. Option 4. Now you can check the solution. Question number 55. If theta is the angle between the tangents drawn from 2, 3 to the ellipse x square plus 4y square equals to 4, then tan theta equals to first option 3 upon 2, second 3 upon 4, third 4 upon 3, fourth 2 upon 3. So this is very important question. If theta is the angle between the tangents drawn from 2, 3 to the ellipse x square plus 4y square is equal to 4, then tan theta. We have one shortcut formula. We can apply the shortcut formula here. Okay. If theta is the angle between the tangents drawn from 2, 3 to this ellipse, then tan theta we need to find out. That means angle between the pair of tangents we need to find out. So that means actually see 55th solution. So this is the parabola. Two tangents are drawn like this. Say this is theta. P A, this is B, PB. Okay, then this tan theta we need to find out. See, equation is x square plus 4y square equals to 4. Divide by 4, you get x square by 4 plus y square by 1 equal to 1. Here a square equals to 4, b square equals to 1. Am I correct now? Now tan theta, shortcut formula, shortcut. Tan theta is given by modulus of 2ab root s11 upon x1 square plus y1 square minus a square minus b square. So now S11 you need to find out. The P point is, what are the P coordinates given here? P coordinates are 2, 3. So now find the S11. See, S11 equals to 4 by 4 plus 9 by 1 and minus 1. This is 1 plus 9 minus 1. 1 cancel, we have 9. That means 2, 3 is substituted in this one. That is S11. So let us substitute now here. This equals to 2ab. 2 into 2 into 1 into root of 9 upon x1 square plus y1 square. This is x1, y1. So 4 plus 9 minus a square minus 4 minus 1 mod. So this equals to 2 into 2 4. Root 9 is 3. Upon 4 4 gets cancelled, 8. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. 3 by 2. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. 56th. Question number 56th. 56th question. The midpoint of the chord intercepted by x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0 on the ellipse x square plus 4y square equals to 36 is the midpoint of the chord intercepted by x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 on the ellipse x square plus 4y square is equal to 36 is first option 1, 2, second option 2 comma 1, third option 2 comma minus 1, fourth option minus 1 comma 2. So this question can be done only verification also you can do it. The midpoint of the chord means the midpoint should lie on this one. Verify first option. 1 plus 4 minus 4. So 1 does not equal to 0. First option is eliminated. Go to second option now. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2. Yes, 2 plus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Yes, second option satisfies. Third option 2 minus 2 minus 4 does not equal to 0. Third option eliminated. Fourth option minus 1 plus 4 does not equal to 0. Fourth option eliminated. So second option is the right option. Right. But let me explain the method also. 56. See, given x square plus 4y square equal to 36. Divide both sides by 36. We get x square upon 36 plus y square upon 9, because 4y square by 36 is 9, is 1. So here a square is equal to 36, b square is equal to 9. That implies a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3, a greater than b. So now the line equation, chord x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Comparing with Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, we get L1 m2 n minus 4. Now the midpoint of the chord, is given by the formula minus L a square n by a square L square plus b square m square, comma minus mb square n upon a square L square plus b square m square. Substituting respective values. Right. This equals to L. L is 1 minus L multiplied by a square is 36, n is minus 4 upon a square. A square is 36 into L square is 1 plus b square is 9, m square is 4, comma minus m minus 2, b square is 9, n is minus 4 upon 36 into 1 plus 9 into 4. Okay, so this equals to 36 into 4 upon 36 plus 36, 72. This is 9 into 8 upon 72. So this is 36 2 ja. So 4 by 2 is 2, 72 by 72 1, 2 comma 1. Okay. So that means the second one is the option. If one or more options will satisfy, then you go for this method. This method is unique. This method will be unique method itself only. 57. The locus of midpoints of chords of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, which passes through the fixed point h comma k is also another ellipse. The locus is another ellipse. Then its center is we need to find out the center of the locus. The locus represents another ellipse. Its center we need to find out. First option 2h comma 2k. Second one h upon 2 comma k. Third h comma k upon 2. Fourth h upon 2 comma k upon 2. This is the problem. First read the question carefully, then try to understand the problem. So Korukunda Jayalakshmi Gunasekar. The locus of midpoints of chords of the ellipse which passes through the fixed point h comma k is also another ellipse. The center of that ellipse we need to find out. Okay, so that means first of all 57 equation of the chord having middle point as px1 comma y1 is s1 is equal to s11. Am I correct? For any conic it is correct, so no problem. So s1 means actually here xx1 upon a square plus yy1 upon b square minus 1 equals to x1 square upon a square plus y1 square upon b square minus 1. This minus 1 gets cancelled. Say equation 1. According to the problem, it passes through h comma k. That means instead of x h substitute, instead of y k. Therefore we get hx1 upon a square plus ky1 upon b square equal to x1 square upon a square plus y1 square upon b square. Now we need to find out locus of this point, locus of p we need to find out. So now locus of p x1 comma y1. The locus of p x1 comma y1 means instead of x1 write x, instead of y1 write down y. Exactly. Okay. we get like this: x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to hx upon a square plus ky upon b square. It represents a ellipse. It is another ellipse. Now we need to find out center of this ellipse. We need to find out. To find out the center, differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x first. So let us do like this now. So if you differentiate, what do you get now here? 2x x square differentiation upon a square equals to hx differentiation is h by a square. A square cancel. X is equal to h by 2, x coordinate of the center. Similarly, differentiate partially with respect to y. 2y upon b square equal to this 0, this is also 0. Ky by b square differentiation is how much you will be getting? K upon b square. B square cancel. Y equals to k by 2. Therefore, center of this one is equal to, center equals to h upon 2 comma k upon 2. This is the answer. Yes, fourth option. Absolutely correct. Yes, partial differentiation. Partial differentiation I have done. For example, yes, partially differentiation. This also partial differentiation. With respect to x. This is with respect to y. Fourth option is the right option. Fifty-eight. Question number 58. This is very important problem. If the common tangent to the ellipse common tangent to the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, and the circle x square plus y square equals to r square makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then tan theta equals to first option root of r square plus b square upon a square minus r square. Second, root of r square minus b square a square minus r square. Third option, r square minus b square r square minus a square. Fourth option, r square minus b square r square plus a square whole root. So this is the question. Okay. Common tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square makes an angle theta is the positive direction of x-axis. That means if the angle made by the common tangent with x-axis theta, then its slope is also m is equal to tan theta. Understood now? So first we need to find out the common tangent to the ellipse and common tangent, any tangent to the ellipse and any tangent to the circle whose slope is m. Let us find out where m is equal to tan theta. Both are common tangent means we can equate them. By equating them we can find out the m value. The m value is nothing but tan theta. So let us do it now. 58 solution. Equation of any tangent to the ellipse can be taken as y is equal to mx plus r minus root of a square m square plus b square, where m is equal to tan theta. Now equation of any tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square can be taken as y equals to mx plus r root of 1 plus m square, where m is same condition itself only, m is equal to tan theta. Say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, see, this is y, this is y. Now these two are equated. So now we get mx plus r minus root of a square m square plus b square is being equated to mx plus r root of 1 plus m square. mx gets cancelled. Squaring on both sides in order to find out m value now. Squaring on both sides we get a square m square plus b square equals to r square plus r square m square. So now a square m square minus r square m square, r square minus b square. So a square minus r square common, you have m square equals to r square minus b square. So let us find out m square value here. M square is equated to r square minus b square upon a square minus r square. We need to find out tan theta, but tan theta is nothing but m. So let us find out m value. M equals to root over r square minus b square upon a square minus r square, which is nothing but tan theta. So this is the required value. Okay, now fifty-ninth problem. This is also very important. The sum and product of the slopes, sum and product of the slopes of the tangents drawn from 4, 1 to the ellipse x square plus 2y square equals to 6, or first option 4 upon 5 comma minus 1 upon 5, second minus 4 upon 5 comma 1 upon 5, third 4 upon 5 comma 1 upon 5, fourth one 4 upon 5 comma minus 1 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, the sum and product of the slopes of the tangents which are drawn from 4, 1 to the ellipse x square plus 2y square is equal to 6, we need to find out. This is very important problem. So very important. So you need to concentrate on this one, this question. Right. #59. So given point say p x1 comma y1 equals to point is 4, 1. Given equation is x square plus 2y square is equal to 6. Divide by 6. X square upon 6, y square upon 3 equals to 1. Here a square equals to 6, b square equals to 3. Right. So now first one, sum of the slopes sum of the slopes equals to m1 plus m2 2x1 y1 upon x1 square minus a square. So now let us substitute the values, the respective values. x1 is 4, so 2 times 4, y1 is 1 upon x1 square. x1 square is 16 minus a square is 6. 8 upon 10. 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja, 4 by 5. This is sum of the slopes. Next, product of the slopes you need to find out. Second, product of the slopes. So product of the slopes is given by m1 into m2 equals to y1 square minus b square upon x1 square minus a square. So y1 square is 1 minus b square is minus 3. This is 16 minus 6. So minus 2 by 10. So equal to minus 1 by 5. That means first one is 4 plus 4 by 5. Next one is minus 1 comma 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Yes, first option is the right option. Sum of the slopes equal to 4 upon 5. Product of the slopes equal to minus 1 upon 5. 60. Question number 60. two tangents drawn from P to the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Make angles theta 1 comma theta 2 with major axis, that means x-axis, major axis, such that cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 equal to k. Cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2, okay, cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 equals to k. Then the locus of point of intersection of tangents is, this is also very important problem. Tangents is, first option 2xy equals to k times y square plus b square. Second option 2xy equals to k times x square plus a square. Third option 2xy equals to k times y square minus b square. Fourth option 2xy equals to k times x square minus a square. Right. This is just the previous concepts only we need to use for this one also. That means sum of the slopes and product of the slopes drawn from P to the ellipse, we need to make use of these two formulae so that this problem can be solved. Two tangents drawn from P to the ellipse make angles theta 1, theta 2. That means slope of the first tangent is m1 is equal to tan theta 1. Theta 2 means m2 is equal to tan theta 2. What is given? Cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to k. This condition is given. So cot theta 1 and cot theta 2 we need to express in terms of tan. Then we can substitute tan theta 1 for m, tan theta 2 for m2. Then we get m1 plus m2 and m1 m2. Sum of the slopes and product of the slopes need to be applied. Let us see now. 60. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the tangents drawn from P, say px1 comma y1. So that implies m1 is equal to tan of theta 1 according to the problem. m2 is equal to tan theta 2 because theta 1, theta 2 are the inclination of the respective tangents. So now what is given actually here? Given condition. What is the given condition? Cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to k. So this cot theta 1 we can write 1 upon tan theta 1. Cot theta 2 is 1 upon tan theta 2 equals to k. but tan theta 1 is m1, this is m2. So now we can write 1 upon m1 plus 1 upon m2 equal to k. LCM is m1 times m2, this will be m1 plus m2 equal to k. Cross multiplication takes place. Say m1 plus m2 is equal to k times m1 m2. This is nothing but sum of the slopes. What is the sum of the slopes? We can write 2x1 y1 upon x1 square minus a square. K times m1 m2 means product of the that is actually product of the slopes is equal to y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus a square. Here it's clear that x1 square minus a square, x1 square minus a square gets cancelled. So we have 2x1 y1 equals to k times y1 square minus b square. So now what should we do? We need to find out locus of this one. So therefore locus of P is 2xy k times y square minus b square. This is the answer. Option 3, am I correct now? Okay. Yes, absolutely correct you are. Option 3 is the right option. Sixty-one. The area of the parallelogram formed by the tangents drawn at 4 points on the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, whose eccentric angles are theta, pi by 2 plus theta, pi plus theta, and 3 pi by 2 plus theta. This is the question. First read the question carefully. First option AB, second option twice the AB, thrice the AB, fourth option 4 times AB. This is the question. The area of the parallelogram formed by the tangents drawn at 4 points on the ellipse, whose eccentric angles are, first point eccentric angle is theta, second is pi by 2 plus theta, third is pi plus theta, and fourth point is 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So that means actually the tangents drawn at 4 points will form a parallelogram. The area of that parallelogram we need to find out. 62. For 62 we need to use a logic. What is the logic means here? Hint. Take theta is equal to 0 degrees. What are the 4 points now you get now? Generally the point P will be in this form, parametric form, A cos theta comma B sin theta. So if theta is equal to 0, the P point becomes like this. Cos 0 is 1, A, sin 0 is 0, P A comma 0. Next point is pi by 2 plus theta, that means 9. Pi by 2 plus theta means pi by 2 you need to substitute. Q point becomes 0 comma B. Now R point becomes, next one is pi. Cos pi is minus 1, minus A comma 0, sin pi is 0. S point is 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. So 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, minus B. So now at these points draw the tangents now. So that means now let us draw the figure. You will get idea. So this is an ellipse. This point is A comma 0. See, 1 point. Say P point, no problem. This will be S. This is R point. Minus A comma 0. This point is how much? 0 comma B. This is Q, 0 comma B. This will be S point. This is 0 comma minus B. Draw the tangent like this. Okay. Here also draw the tangent. Now say this is A, C, B, D. So rectangle is a parallelogram. Area of this ABCD we need to find out. That means area of parallelogram that equals to rectangle ABCD area. That means this distance into this distance. This is nothing but length of the major axis. Length of the major axis is actually 2a. Length, breadth is length of the minor axis, that will be 2b. So equal to 4ab square units. This is the answer. Okay. 61. So now follow easy technique here. Take theta is equal 0 degrees and find out the values. That means at the ends of the major axis and minor axis we get tangents. Then it forms a rectangle. Area of the rectangle equal to the area of the parallelogram in this case. Okay, now fourth option is the right option. Excuse me. Question number 62. The equations of the axis of 3x square plus 4y square plus 6x minus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the equations of major axis and minor axis we need to find out. First option, x plus 1 equals to 0, y plus 1 equals to 0. Second one, x minus 1 equals to 0. third y minus 1 is equal to 0. Third, x plus 1 equals to 0, y minus 1 equals to 0. Fourth, x plus 1 equals to 0 and y minus 1 equals to 0. So that means partially differentiate with respect to x, you get one equation. Partially differentiate with respect to y, you get other equation. So they are the equations of the axis of the given ellipse. So let us find out now. 62 solution. Consider s equals to 3x square plus 4y square plus 6x minus 8y minus 5 equals to 0. Find first dou s by dou x equals to 0. That implies 6x plus 0 plus 6 minus 0 equal to 0. 6x plus 6 equals to 0. Divide by 6. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of major axis or minor axis. It may be. So now you find out dou s by dou y equals to 0. So this is 0 plus 8y, 0 minus 8 minus 0 equal to 0. 8y minus 8 equals to 0. That implies y minus 1 equals to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0, y minus 1 equals to 0. Yes, third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. 63. 63. PSP dash is a focal chord. This problem is very important model. Please try to concentrate on this one. Focal chord of the ellipse of the ellipse 16x square plus 25y square equals to 400. If SP equals to 8, then SP dash equal to so first option 1 upon 2, second 2, third 3, fourth 1 upon 3. So this is very important. How to do s and y, do x, y. Partial differentiation, that's all. Whenever if you differentiate partially x means we need to keep y and constants constant. If you want to differentiate with respect to y partially, keep x terms constant and constant terms constant. That's all. PSP dash is a focal chord of the ellipse 16x square plus 25y square is equal to 400. SP is equal to 8. Then SP dash we need to find out. So this kind of problem actually we have done in parabola also. For any conic this is very important. It is also important for even hyperbola also. Please try to understand this problem now. 63. Problem number 63. This is the ellipse major minor axis. This is the center. Say focal chord. Focal chord is always passes through the focus. P, S, P dash. SP given, you need to find out SP dash, we need to find out. So we have one shortcut formula, one formula write down. For any conic, it's a tonic. For any conic, 1 by SP plus 1 by SP dash equal to 2 by L, where L is semi-latus rectum, length of the semi-latus rectum. Semi-latus rectum. Otherwise, SP, L, SP dash are in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression. Or semi-latus rectum is the harmonic progression between, harmonic mean between SP and SP dash. So that means, for example, in order to find now the latus rectum of the conic, you need to find out. So now given, see equation is what? 16x square plus 25y square equal to 400. Here very interesting factor, 25 into 16 is 400 only. Dividing by 400, x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equals to 1. Here a square equals to 25, b square equals to 16 and a greater than b. First, length of the semi-latus rectum you need to find out. So L equal to b square by a. So b square by a means b square is 16, a is 5, 16 upon 5. From we have here, and also one more thing given here. See SP value given. SP equal to how much given? 8 given. This is 8. Now this we need to find out. So now we know that 1 by SP plus 1 by SP dash equal to 2 upon L. Substituting 1 by 8 plus 1 by SP dash 2 upon L, 2 upon 16 by 5, 2 by 1 into 5 by 16. This is 5 upon 8. But we need to find out this value. Now 1 by SP dash equal to 5 upon 8, take value this side, minus 1 upon 8. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. So therefore SP dash is equal to 2. This answer. SP dash is equal to 2. Understood now? SP plus S dash P is equal to 2A. That is different. S dash is not given here. Venkata Raghuram, you check it. Only one focus is given, not other focus is not given. You are correct. That is called focal property. That's called focal property. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Meet you tomorrow morning. Right. Most probably tomorrow morning only I will explain the concepts of hyperbola also.